Hey everyone, welcome back to our Photoshop on iPad masterclass. Today it's all about speed. We are diving into Apple Pencil tricks and touch gestures that make your workflow so much smoother. You will wonder how you ever worked without them. These aren't just cool tricks, they are time savers. Once you know them, editing, sketching and designing will feel twice as fast and way more natural. Let's start with the basics. Tap, hold and drag works just like using your finger, but way more precise. Pressure sensitivity is supported. Press harder for thicker lines, lighter for fine strokes. Great for illustration. Tilt sensitivity works with certain brushes. Tilt your pencil to create shading effects, just like a real pencil. Many people don't realize that Apple Pencil has a built-in shortcut, double tap. By default, it switches between your current tool and the eraser. But here is the secret. You can customize it. Go to the settings, app settings, input, Apple Pencil, double tap. You can change it to switch between last tool used, show color picker, zoom to fit, use what fits your workflow best. Now the touch gestures that save your sanity. 2-finger tap undo, 3-finger tap redo, pinch to zoom, move in and out with your canvas. 2-finger pinch and rotate your canvas. Super handy for drawing. Long press on a tool, access hidden variations like different selection tools or brushes. That gray circle that floats on your screen, that's the touch shortcut. It's like a mini keyboard modifier. Hold it down and depending on the tool, brush turns into an eraser. Move tool turns into a selection tool. Transform gives you alternate scaling options. And guess what? You can customize what the shortcut does in app settings, touch. The real power happens when you combine these. Draw with pencil, undo with fingers, zoom with a pinch, rotate with a twist, all without opening a single menu. It feels fluid, natural, and most importantly fast. And there you go, the Apple Pencil and gesture tricks that make Photoshop iPad not just portable, but truly powerful. In the next module, we will dive into Photoshop's core tools, starting with layers, the foundation of everything you will build. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which gesture you are already addicted